showing you a unboxing of the Rough Cut 2x4. But first, let's introduce my two friends here. What's your name?
Justin.
What's your name?
George. We've never been on YouTube at all.
Okay. Hi guys. So how do you like this? Good, bad, exciting?
Yeah,
Exciting?
I've never been on YouTube and I wanted to be it, so this is awesome.
Okay. So let's go a little bit about the gun. Justin, would you like to?
I don't know anything.
George, you want to talk about the gun?
One thing that I've seen people do with this gun, some people say it's better to hold the gun like this, but if you're in a Nerf war and doing this, yeah, it's not a good way to go. You want to hold it like this and want to have, if you're mostly a sniper, you want to have it up here and close like that. With this gun, I'd say, because I've seen most people do it, it may say that it goes 75 feet right here, but probably it doesn't because most guns don't. I'd say if I was about to estimate how far this went, it'd go about 35 feet. But that's just my estimate. So one thing that you can do with this gun is you can go like this. You can hide around the corner and you can have it loaded, ready. You can go like this. You can be right there. And if they walk across, there's two bullets, so they can go either way. So if the one goes straight, one can go that way and shoot them, and they'll be out maybe in an Nerf war. So it's a pretty good gun to use. I recommend buying this gun because it's pretty awesome. And plus, who doesn't like shotguns? They're pretty sick. But I'll leave it up to you now.
Okay, now, Justin, would you like to load the gun?
Sure. Complete silence.
What? Oh, right now he's loading the gun.
I think one of us should demonstrate how it shoots.
Wait, did you already say that this is good?
Yes.
If you shoot it and they try to move, there's a chance that they'll probably run into the other bullet.
Yes. I
Yeah.
did say that.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Here's the instruction booklet, which I do not think you would need because it's pretty simple to do that. So I'm just going to, Justin, do you mind if I do a wrench test on your door?
You can do it on me.
Okay. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you a wrench test.
So let's say like two people are doing a Nerf war, and let's pretend like we have guns. He's gonna go and try and shoot us.
It's pretty hard to type. You say so myself.
Well, I think these are pretty good. I think this is a
good
pretty good gun. And as always, this is Sergeant Nerf Productions. Hey guys, so we just tested it, and it actually goes 81 feet, and I forgot to mention that it actually does rapid fire.
Awesome.
Yes.